handle for safer and
Yes.
easier printing.
Welcome back, guys, everyone. I'm so
Hi.
sorry for brought you that inconvenience, and we have fixed this problem, and so every one of you guys can be able to see us like uh, with no barrier. Okay, and with what you can see from the video that have been put like twice or even three times already.
Yep.
So that is the main video about our new product, which is
Ender-3
S1
S1
Pro.
Pro.
Yeah, and I just remember that on 2nd of December last year,
Yep.
yeah, we have published the Ender-3 S1, and
Yeah.
only a couple of months later we are sitting here to give you the Ender-3 S1 Pro, and you must want to know what are the differences between these. Ender-3 S1, Ender-3, Ender-3 Pro, Ender-3 S1 Pro, S1 Pro. So with such of the so many different names of the Ender-3 series, but one thing you can for sure to admit is that Ender-3 is the most popular product line
Yeah.
ever from Creality. So we would like to, have more functions that are satisfied to different, needs of the people that are like Ender-3 series. So for if you are like the guy who is in need of printing the high temperature models, we give you this one.
Yes.
Because the highest temperature that Ender-3 S1 can print is up to 260 Celsius degree, and this one can give you to more than 300 Celsius degree. And later on, we'll focus on the specs and configuration of this one. And this is also a part of our live stream, and we welcome every one of you guys to share out your ideas about this new printer. And as you can see from the screen, everything that been put on the table are printed out by this one, and we have been testing this one for like over 2 months. Actually, we have been developed this one for since December last year. So it only takes like two months later after we have been tested thousands of times, and then we choose this time to release this new product. And here is the well, I'll show you later actually. So Sherry, what you can share about us with this one?
So I have one point that's always because industry is very popular, and what we do is keep improving the product and make
Mhm.
it better and better to have a make everybody have a better user experience. And no matter industry S1 or industry S1 Pro,
Yeah.
they are keep improving.
Yeah.
And this time I'm really excited. I want to know what the improve and what the difference.
Oh, you didn't know what are the improvements. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm
So people are
represent.
already excited about the high temperature printing ability that Ender-3 S1 Pro can do.
Yes.
And so the one is here we printed out, which is used of the PA filaments.
Yes.
So PA normally they are required to print under more than under 300 Celsius degree, and with this guy you can definitely print out more like um, more choices for you to print, even for the filaments that you can be choosing.
Yes.
So this one is, do you know what it is?
I think it's for the engineering.
Yes, it is. It can be used onto the joint. This is a joint part. Okay, this is a joint part. Basically, you can, just have the view on the hardship of this one, because we cannot show to our audiences like how tough it is,
Yeah,
what the
it's
texture of
people
it is,
have to
but it
show
is
that.
so different from other filaments like PLA.
Yes.
It's different. It's on another level. I
Yeah,
would
it's
say.
harder.
It's harder and tougher and more durance that can be
Yes.
used onto car parts.
Yes,
Actually,
for
car parts. This is a joint part on car parts, and also I have a GoPro here. I don't know how many of you guys have a GoPro, and probably you need a bracket for the GoPro to set up your GoPro onto a stable point to record a fine video. But here,
yes,
I'll
the
just
bracket.
I'll just change another view. later. Okay,
Yeah.
you can. This one is also made by PA Filaments.
Yeah.
Yes,
If it's broken, you can just
yeah,
bring it out.
and even the protector of your cell phone, like here,
Yeah, you can use the TPU filament.
TPU, and
Yes.
what else?
And
Carbon fiber.
yeah.
Yeah, carbon fiber. I like this one. So you can basically there we give you more choices for you, more options for you
Yeah.
on the filaments. So with Ender-3 Pro, it is opened another window for our
Yeah.
users. Yes, and also yeah, you can have all your questions. Just
Yeah,
you
just be
know,
afraid
yeah,
to
just
leave
throw
your
them
comment.
into the comment area. We have our technical group sitting right beside us, and they are viewing all of your comments, and they will reply back directly on the comment zone, or they will just come out and explain to you face to face. Okay. So Jeremy saying that I had a question regarding my Ender-3. Okay, is it normal that the grass piece on the on the extruder has a metal rod coming out? Okay, we leave this one to our technical group, and they will reply back to you. This one is from YouTube. Okay, and they will reply back to you directly in the comment area. Okay.
Yeah. So how
So grass,
about
not grass, not grass. Curious, like what is the grass piece?
okay.
It's actually grass. Okay, yeah. So shortly we will give you the answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
Maybe we can just I can't wait to know the
no,
Android S1 Pro
yeah,
more details.
I was about to tell every one of you that what we're going to do next. So
Yeah,
this live
sure.
stream contains, of course, a detailed explanation, a detailed report of how and what does this Industry S Pro looks like and how it can be, what this guy is capable of doing, and also we will have the round of like the question FAQ
Mm-hmm.
segment.
Yeah.
So it will be free for all of you guys to give out all your concerns, all your questions about this one, since it's totally a brand new product ever been released by Creality at this moment. So yeah, you can. We will also would like to hear more about more from you guys, and of course we will have the lucky draw time, and
Yeah.
this lucky draw is only available for every one of you
Who joined this
who
live
yeah who
stream?
join this live stream. So every one of you can have um, the opportunity to win a freebie, and the freebie is Ender 2,
Yeah.
Ender 2,
Yeah.
Ender 2. Am I
It's a
right?
3D printer.
是 Ender 2是吧 Yes.
So you can just share this live stream with
Yeah.
your family, your friend to let more your family join us together.
Yes. I have Ender 3 Generation 1 with CR Touch and upgraded firmware. Is it worth upgrading to Ender 3 S1? Well, that's a good question. Yeah, later we will give you a power slides that illustrates the difference of the difference between Ender 3 S1, Ender 3,
Pro.
and Ender 3 S1. Yeah, S1 Pro. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to be a user Ender 3. Actually, it's a FDM. It's a highly DIY machine, and
Yeah.
basically you can do everything you would like to
Yeah,
do.
you can upgrade
Yeah,
it
but
by
the difference
yourself.
I will tell you later. Okay, the difference. So, guys, if you're ready to know more about this one, I will just officially start to introduce our Ender 3 S1 Pro. If you are ready, just let me know if you're ready, and you can, of course, you can. While I'm giving you guys the introduction, you can also, in the meanwhile, you can also, express your opinions during on in the comment area. Sherry will help me to
Yeah, I will
pick
help
your
to pick your
questions. Yeah.
comments. Yeah.
So if you're ready, just let me know. Okay, we'll start right away.
Yeah, just click one to let us know you're ready.
Okay, cool. So let's start then.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, Sherry, can you please help me to put it put an eye on the comments, and I will start to do the introduction of the
Yeah,
Ender
sure.
3 S1 Pro. Okay,
Okay.
so basically this is a power slice of this one, and you can see the picture of it. And later on, we will give you more detailed video to help you get more knowledge about this one. Okay, so this one is of course a high temperature printing for more possibilities. Why we are that's the function that we highlighted. So the present thank you for providing me such an opportunity to bring you the latest product information of qualities Ender-3s. It's so honored. Yeah, and products of Ender series have continued to perform well in the market and have been well liked by our friends. That's the truth. Based on the evaluation of user experience and feedback, we achieved a milestone in Ender-3 series by the end of 2021 after 6 months continuous efforts. Today, let's share joy and touching moments brought by technology. So next, I would like to introduce you the new member of Ender-Series, the Ender-3 S1 Pro. This product received comprehensive upgrade on the Ender-3 S1, with a great expectation to bring different and surprising experience for our users. First of all, let's take a look at the design of the Ender-3 S1 Pro. It inherited the industry's classic i3 structure, which is steady enough. It is worth mentioning that we have added a lot of human-centered design, like a platform handle for safer and easier pulling out under the high temp condition. I will show you the platform handle later, okay, in details. An LED light strip is installed at the top of the Z-axis for even feeling light, with with which the printing's details can be observed even in a dim environment. The appearance of the printer was inspired by the design of sports cars, which is BMW, making the whole smooth and beautiful. In short, we can see that the Industry S1 Pro is very exquisite. The size of it is 2020 times 2020 times 2070 millimeters. Built um, this will definitely fulfill imagination, and the size of the printing size of Ender 3 S1 Pro is exactly the same as the Ender 3 S1. Yeah, just
Yes.
let you guys to know that. But the size of this one, the package size of this one, is actually smaller than the Ender 3 S1. So what next is so this is a classic i3 structure. All right. So here is a platform handle.
Yes,
Yeah,
human.
later I will show you more with a more closer
It's
zoom.
a human-centered design.
Yeah, human-centered design, of course, because when you are
Very
printing some
high
high, yeah, yeah,
temperature
uh,
filament.
filaments, and the whole platform is under a high temperature,
Yeah.
and it is so easily to get your hands burnt
Yeah.
when you directly touch onto the bed sheet.
Platform.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and with the handle, it's a small design, but I think it is
Yeah.
so considerable, right?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
I love this design.
Yeah, and also we have the LED light strap at the top of the Z-axis.
Wow.
And this is another considerable design, and I
Yeah.
like about it because I know most of you guys would like to do the
Camera shooting a
yeah, camera shooting
video.
video for the whole time, all time
Yeah.
video catching, video shooting.
Yeah.
So during the night time, it will be so dim for you to catch the right picture of the working machine.
Yeah.
So with the LED light strip,
Yep.
yeah, it will definitely make sure the whole doesn't matter it's in the daytime or in the nighttime. It can be
Yeah.
clearly
To show the whole process
yeah
when printing.
to capture the whole
Yeah.
process of the printing.
Yeah.
So I think that's a
Very
yeah
nice.
very considerable.
Yeah.
And like I said, the design inspiration is actually from a sports car. It's from BMW. I'll show you why. So, Sherry, have you ever read any you know
Camera?
comments? Yeah.
Yeah, someone said that it's really cool, That just yeah, I noticed that let me see to my Ender-3 Pro. So the Pro have been upgraded.
Yes.
Yes, sure. Hot-end assembly. Someone said they love the hot-end assembly be a valuable upgrade. And this Eric said that it's in there seeing a touchscreen pad. Yep. So they already noticed the touchscreen pad.
Oh, touchscreen pad. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So we will introduce that later.
Yeah, and what is max printing speed? We will give you the configuration really short. Okay, I will show you why we are actually have this inspiration from a sports car and which type of the car we are actually derive the inspiration from. It's BMW, which is quite interesting. I just want to show you guys. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, and yeah. Oh, sorry, I have the Chinese on that. Not this one. That's okay.
So
Anyway,
actually, the outlook designs from a car. We want to make it look like a car, a very fluent design and a neat, cool design.
yeah, I just want to highlight is that why a BMW. So you might know the front face of BMW. So what it would remind you if you see the front face of our Ender-3 S Pro, S1
Yeah.
Pro. So the two holes here is looks like the two nose of the
Mm-hmm. Two
BMW.
nose.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it is very clean and nice, I would say. And let's continue.
Okay, let's go.
So this is a Sprite full metal dual gear direct extruder, and we are giving you the details of the extruder. Okay, so different from the most brand 3D printers, Ender-3 S1 Pro is outstanding for its filaments compatibility. At present, PLA is the main filament, and ABS or PA has higher temperature requirement. To solve this problem, to ease the pain from our users, we designed the nozzle kit in a special way, which supports up to 300 Celsius degree high temperature printing with compatibility for PLA, ABS, wood, TPU, and PETG. So as an easy-to-use printer, Ender-3 S1 Pro features the CR Touch 16-point auto leveling, which detects and compensates for the printing height in the heat bed, allowing for fast and accurate leveling. It makes printing more convenient and easy to get started. So this is heat-resisting titanium alloy tube. The build surface is covered by a spring steel PEI magnetic sheet, which is durable. Furthermore, it heats up much faster, and its super adhesion enhances the success rate of modeling print. Only a slight bend, the print can be removed effortlessly. So these are all the compatible with the filaments that can be used onto these Ender 3S1 Pro. So now we are going to give you guys a video about uh, how we are going to use with this one. Okay.
It's
And
an operation video.
yes, it is an operation video.
Wow.
It that contains a lot of scenarios.
Yeah. So that's so
All right. So you have seen the video, and this is a using scenario, like the practice scenario that you are we shoot it for the Ender-3 S1 Pro. And this
Yes.
is a 16-point CR touch automatic leveling, and the PEI spring steel. Yeah. And now we come to the controller. So the Ender-3 S1 Pro is equipped with a 4.3-inch HD LCD color touchscreen, and the UI interface is easy to use, and it supports 9 languages for switching, which meets more users' needs. In addition, Ender-3 S1 Pro has great creative potential. We have designed some interfaces on the printer to make it more playable. First of all, the printer can connect to Creality Cloud app via the external Wi-Fi box, which is need to purchase separately. And Creality Cloud is a database with more than 100,000 models for free selection, and the cloud slicing function is realized as well. Usually, we spend a lot of time observing the printing process and need to pay attention to the possible multifunction. To optimize the step, a camera, which is also need to be purchased separately, is prepared for the Ender-3 S1 Pro, which with which remote monitoring is realized. Users can have a check on the printing on phone whenever you want. So here we have the full configurations of the Ender-3 S1 Pro and the Ender-3 S1. So both of them are into the FDM shape, and the build volume is are the same, 2020 times 2020 times 2070. And the mainboard 32 bits silent mainboard, and all the both of them have the auto leveling with CR touch. But here, the build surface is for Ender-3 S1 Pro. We have the spring steel PEI magnetics build plate, and for Ender-3 S1, uh, which is a spring steel PC magnetic build plate. So it like this. It's I'll show you. So here, as you can see, wait a second.
Yes, now we are going to use another camera so you can see this product clearly. Yeah, now you can see this is the platform.
So this is a PEI sheet, and the platform, as you can see, um, is squared.
Yeah,
It's square.
it's the square and then the outlook is very neat and very cool, right?
Yes, and here's a handle, the platform
Yeah,
handle.
yes. So when you finish the printing, you can just pull it out so you will burn your hands, right? And this is the PEI platform. It's very easy for you to take out the models very easily. So Larry now is going to share the more clearly version with you
Yeah,
in
and
this
the
way.
print precision is the same, layer height is the same, and print speed are zero point 0.4 millimeters. That this answers the previous question. And the different another difference is of the sorry. Ooh, I just leak out the price. Is a extruder. So the sprite, this one is adopted the sprite full metal door gear direct extruder with 1 to 3.5 gearing. And the Ender-3 S1 is using sprite door gear direct drive extruder. So here we got a difference. And also the temperature with the Pro version is 300 Celsius degree, and the heat bed temperature is up to 110 Celsius degree. So supported filaments, we have obviously more options for you to choose, which are the the PA and wood, as well as some even hotter filaments like carbon. Yeah,
Yes, carbon
yeah.
filament.
And with the Ender-3 S1, it only supports two languages, Chinese and English. And now with the Pro version, we have 9 languages in total. So yeah. And now we're going to release the price, which have
Wow.
already.
Maybe let us get a prize
I
together
have
before
already.
lunch.
I have. No, no, no.
I
We
think just
because
only.
they have already got the link of the sales link about this one. So
Really?
yeah,
So already have the link.
yeah,
So anybody here already know the price? Just type the price, okay? Just let us know. And here we will share a link, and we
yeah. The
already
price
let.
are already paint, so
Yes.
it's okay.
Yeah. So everybody, how do you like the? I saw the price.
Yeah,
Yes.
I have already sent you guys the link for purchase link, and you can check the price there. And
Okay. So let's go. The
so the price
price.
is the retail price is 499.
499.
Yes.
Wow, it's really, I think it's an affordable price.
Yeah,
As usual,
499.
and this rate never make us disappointed.
Yes.
For better function and reasonable price, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So how everybody, how's your feeling? How do you like this price? Yeah, with more function and with can pouring more filament and with the
Can I
LED
return my
light.
regular S1 to get this one? I don't know,
Yeah,
man. It's up to you. I think yeah, we have the policy on this one.
I'm not really
Yeah.
sure, but we can check.
Yeah. So 499 still remains at a relative low price range because after all, it is the Ender-3 series.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
and
uh,
also with this price, I think more function, including the touch screen, I think is very important for me.
yes, can hot end be pulled on the regular S1? This one,
Button be put on the on
regular S1. Yeah.
regular. Actually, the Houghton is the same. The Houghton. Yes,
Oh,
because they can DIY, so actually I think it's workable to make some upgrade by themselves.
yeah. Yes, the answer is yes. Our technical group just approved this one. So yes, Mr. Tyler, the hot end can be put on the regular S1.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yes.
you got a positive answer. So here's Will saying that it is expensive for small printing volume, but we know all price increase. All price increases
Yeah, because of the
because of what?
materials, I think. Because
Raw
now,
materials.
yeah, raw materials,
Why? Why the raw materials
you
are
know now, recently the COVID-19 and some
COVID
material,
19
yeah, COVID-19 and some material just shot. So
under shortage?
yeah, so
Or
that's maybe a little kind of reason.
I thought
Yeah.
you were gonna say the war between Ukraine and Russia, but which also have made some impact because the fuel price is surging up and everything just the price for everything is surging up. But the price is we have studied of the price and we can give you the you know
More function and a
yeah function.
better
But
user experience.
yeah, do you know how many of you guys remember the selling price for Ender-3 S1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know?
You can tap it out and we will see where the differences are, and you can also have your own conclusion about whether it is worth or not.
Yes.
Yes. So yeah, I'd say the price is fair.
Yeah. So
Yeah, please pay attention to the comment zone because our technical group is also answering back all of your comments just in case we have missed your questions. Yes.
yeah.
So Kevin is asking, do you have an adaptable mounting module to work with it, like laser module? Yes, of course. We're going to give you guys show you later. So this one is also This one in front of me, the tiger face, is
Yes.
printed out by the Ender-3 as well. So
Yeah.
it's so easy for you to exchange the module from the extruder to the engraving laser.
Yes.
And what is more interesting is that so the PEI bed sheet, right?
Yeah.
Once you flip it over,
Yeah.
it can become as a platform to for you to do the engraving stuff. It's
Yes.
so convenient for you to do that.
So
So
it's
yes, Mr. Kevin, can upgrade. Yeah, some of the accessories are available later, but not now in our
mm-hmm.
official accessory store, like the
Yes.
handle, like the strip light. Yeah,
And
because after all, it is a FDM, a highly DIY version. So basically, you can do a lot of things that you can do. But only one difference I will tell you later after this part. Okay, I will show you. The main difference is that the whole base of the Ender-3 S1 Pro is integrated. So that means the whole base of it, the surface under the platform is there has no gap at all, no cracks at all. That
mm-hmm.
is for mainly for safe reasons.
Mm-hmm. Yes, for safer.
Yeah, it can be safer because the gaps and the cracks can be so easily to collect the dirt.
Yeah.
It's so hard for you to clean it up,
Clean. Yeah.
and also if you accidentally spread some water inside into the
Oh
gap,
yeah.
the water will directly goes into the main board,
Yeah. Maybe it
and
will broken.
boom, your congratulations, you have a smoking 3D printer. So the whole base of it is integrated. So we ask the factory to make it one suit, one off. Yeah.
Yes.
And also this design saved a lot of time for for yourself to set up.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I noticed some guys just ask question
The
about
touch
this.
screen will be able to bite along. You can choose the 3D pad, which is already on our official website.
3D pad.
Yeah,
That means
you can buy it
for the
alone. It means the touch
accessories.
screen will be buy it alone, as buy separately for the only for the touch screen. I think so. I think so.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
it's
because we
the
have 3D pad.
accessory.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
have 3D pad, and if you exactly want the Ender-3 S1 Pro touchscreen, I think you can also purchase it on
Separately
yeah
on.
separately on our website, but not now. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
And
So say thank you, BB3D. You still remember the price. So Ender-3 is Ender. I think you're talking about Ender-3 S1, right? Or Ender-3. It's about 429, and this one selling for 499. I think this the difference like $60,
mm-hmm.
$61 is worth for that because yeah, you have more options on the filaments. Why not? And you can print out the
Some
models
high
that
temperature
yeah,
filament and
yeah,
also with the LED light strip
yes,
and
exactly, yes,
yeah. So actually, it's fair, just like that.
yeah. What is the power of the laser?
It seems 1.5 watt, 1.6.
1.6. Okay,
Okay, it's 1.6 watt.
1.6 watts, Mr.
Yeah,
Caddy.
yeah, and then you can see it's not only can do some caving on the wood, but also like this way
Yes,
on this kind of material to engage to get some pictures
yeah, pictures like any shape of the
heart.
heart.
Yeah, so it can it's make you can do a lot of um, create
Mm,
artwork.
mm.
So I think this is really another option for DIY.
Yeah. Can you show us wood filament process now? Now, currently, let me see. We didn't pick any wood.
Wood, yeah, this is the wood
Oh, this one.
material.
Sorry.
And
No worries, I'll
here
show you.
is also the wood. It's also the wood.
Okay.
Now here we show you the different material.
So here's a wood
Yeah.
material.
Yes, it's very cute.
Yeah, it's cute Buddha.
Buddha. Yeah. And here is a tiger. Tiger. Oh, it's very big.
Oh,
But you can
nice.
see that its surface is very smooth and you can make this is the wood material. Yeah. It's very cute. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. So for you can print with the wood to print some such a chair, small chair, 3D printing model or other things that you want. It's look like wood. So you will have more option. Yeah, how do you like the wood 3D mode we shared just now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can just let us know how do you like the wood material. And also, actually not only the wood material, we also have the TPU material.
Oh, TPU ones.
Yeah, it's you can yeah, you can just change yeah, scroll it.
Screw it. Hey, watch your mouth. What you talking? Screw it. Come on. Hey, Larry. Did you invite Sherry? Yes, mate. Yes.
Wow. And actually, it can also train the our rainbow filament,
Yes.
such like this vest.
Yeah.
It's use the rainbow filament and PTG like this one.
Yeah. So visit the link below the video to purchase the Ender-3 S1 Pro. I'll just reset the link for everybody. So more of the specs and configurations are will be showing on the website, and I can also share you where
Yeah,
you can buy it.
yeah. So I think most of you really can't wait to place an order to
Yes.
test it at the first time.
Yes.
So we will share you the location where you can get
So
it.
here's a website which is called the 3D Primer, and this is the Ender 3 S1 Pro. We have already uploaded all the pictures that you would like to know about it, and all the highlights are listed here. So first of all, the newly developed high temperature nozzle reaches up to 300 Celsius degree, uh, not 300 degree. And the new nozzle, which is compatible with most regular materials on the market, in the market. Yeah, and the new Sprite directed door gear extruder, and which is made by pure metal, um, which and with 80 newton of the extrusion force, and the door gear direct extruder, which is compatible with the TPU. We had just show you about of the model previously, and these integrated LED light stripe on top of the Z-axis, and also the 4.3 LCD screen with the simple to use UI. So we're also always quite proud of our UI system because I think it is so easy to use even for beginners. It can easily understand how you're gonna print a model as long as you have the STL file already in your SD card or in your laptop, or even you can download it from the Creative Cloud.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Create crowd to
And
download some model.
yes, and we have more detailed illustration and introduction of these ones.
Yes.
So, guys, it's time for you to ask out the questions, and we will have the round of the giveaway.
Now?
Yeah, maybe
Okay.
later. What do you reckon?
Yeah. I noticed someone said that maybe the hotten actually is the full mantle hotten. So because with the full mantle we can resist bear more higher temperature, make it
Hmm.
up to 300 degrees centigrade.
Wait, the price is wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So this is kind of like the super
Because
early bird price.
Maybe it's different agents that have the can.
Early bird.
Yes, actually it's yeah sure okay super early bird price
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
yeah so
As the price you can see on the shopping website, the retail price is 499, of
yeah
course, and
yes
we probably the distributors and our sellers would like to have some early birds price. So
yeah so today is the turn is
yeah,
the time.
yeah, but of course the retail price is different. The retail price is 499.
Yes, so
Yes.
everybody maybe just go there to get the early bird price
Yeah.
and maybe
Yes, yes, reactor. It has a old metal hardened, as we just show you the picture. Yeah,
yes maybe they can't feel that because it's a little far from the camera, but yeah, we can sure that it's a full mental pattern.
yeah. It is frustrating. The original S1 before this, knowing people would want to old metal hardened. The old metal has been for sale on electronic since release.
One no metal hot
Mm.
and yes.
I think we can give you the unboxing of this one. Why
Yeah,
not?
sure.
Yeah.
And because a lot of people they want to know how to install the Ender-3 S1 Pro. Maybe maybe some of you are beginner.
Yeah.
So let's watch your operation video together.
Yes.
And we can hide the comments. Yes. Okay, let's go.
And well, before that, I also would like to share you with the differences between Industry S1 and the Industry S1 Pro. So
Okay.
here's our the differences.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So actually, we just introduced them just now, but now we can watch a picture
Yeah.
to make it clear.
So as you can see, the LED strap is on top of the Z-axis. Industry S1 it doesn't have, and also the PEI spring steel. This is the differences of the outlook, and also here you can see the extruder. For Industry S1, it looks like this, and the Industry S1 Pro is a full metal uh, hardened. Um, Actually, it's a titanium high temperature resistance flow too.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
pro.
it's it's titanium,
Yeah,
but still it's metal. Yeah, and the main
and
differences are the nozzle temperature and heating bed temperature. Also, the consumables. We have more options, and others like we changed this PC spring steel two drawer to the PEI spring steel two drawer, and we also have added an platform handle, just in case it will have potential damage on your fingers or your hands when you're trying to drive out uh, the model after right after it's finished the print, because the platform would be remaining would be still hot. And these are the for the UI for the touchscreen. The different main difference is that we have supports more languages, even easier for our user to use, which are sorry, which are Chinese, English, German, and Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Russian, and Turkish. Yes. So can I also buy a display? You mean the touchscreen for your Ender 3S1?
display. Display means
Yeah.
the touch, right? For the touch screen, right? Display.
Yeah, display
Separate parts.
for the Ender-3 S1. Yes, of course. Yes, you can't purchase it, but it is not. I believe it's not on live yet.
Mm-hmm.
But later it will be on live on
Yeah,
our official
because I
website.
believe most of the parts, no matter the LED strip
Yeah.
or the platform or PI, yeah,
Thanks for
touch
the French
screen.
language.
Yeah. So I think most of the parts you can get it from the market in the
Yeah.
very near future.
Yeah, and firmware, we will update all the firmware for the Ender-3 S1 Pro in our ops website, and we would like you to put an eye on that. Of course, we have developed the exclusive firmware
Mm-hmm.
for Ender-3 S1 Pro, and will be released on our website, the
Mm-hmm.
normal place for that you usually download it. Yeah.
So just now we share the difference between the Ender-3 S1 and the Ender-3
Mm.
Pro, right?
Mm.
And now,
Now
I
let's have a video about the unboxing. Why not?
yeah, just let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, if you have any question during this process, just feel free to let us know.
Yes.
Okay, so now we are going to share an unboxing video.
I don't see Clarity S1 Pro. You mean the firmware or the product? Now the product is only on the 3D Prime, so which is one of our distributors that are selling this one right now, and our
Yeah.
website hasn't on it yet. But if you're looking for the firmware, I think you can check it later. Yeah. And now we're going to give you guys the unboxing video for our Ender-3 S1 Pro. All right, welcome back, guys. And for John Lesson is saying a lot of things I have already read through, and mostly is about the CR scan lizard. And dude, we will have a live stream tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yeah, tomorrow probably at the same time. Um,
at 9 p.m. Peking time.
yeah, which is almost the same time
Yeah,
from here
yes.
right now. Yeah. So tomorrow night in Beijing time, we will give you a you know detailed introduction about the questions that you ask and as well as other questions relates to CR scan Lisa. Okay,
Yeah.
and
But today we mainly focus on the Ender-3 S1 Pro.
yes, yes, and so some people also ask about the cooling stuff. I'm also interested to give an introduction of that. So the cooling method for Ender-3 S1, we also have a accessory is going to coming out, which is this is also designed to meet the needs for different high temperature filaments. The Ender-3 S1 Pro has added water cooling mode. So it's a new method of cooling
Mm-hmm.
instead of the fans, because the fans, as you can see here, this one doesn't have. We didn't put the water cooling water cooling
System.
system into this one, but this one is equipped with the fans.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear the noise, but I can hear it. The
Yeah.
fans, they have the noise, and the efficient of cooling is not that enough. But with the cooling water cooling method, it will be absolute
Silence.
silent, and as well as the efficient of cooling is super high. All right,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
and
So
it will be coming out as well in recent times, and the users can switch between the cooling modes according to the actual situation. So, from my perspective, if you are going to point the high temperature models, we would like you to, we are more recommend you to have the water cooling system, because the extruder, the helpant will have to resist a lot of high temperature.
yeah.
So for fans, it could be not enough to cooling down. Yeah, but with the normal situation, if you are just printing some PLA stuff, I think fans can be work. So we give you the option. We leave you guys the option. It is up to you to change to the water cooling system or using the fan system. This will
Yeah,
be fine.
it's according to your application cases.
Yes, yes. And also there also have other points that we didn't mention. So the Ender-3 S1 Pro inherits the merits of Ender-3 S1, that's of course, and becomes more outstanding with some significant upgrades. Its overall improvements and human-centered design is creative sincerity in product development. So Ender-3 S1, you have already know, it is super cost effective, and the retail price is 499. You can visit it in the link, in the sales link that I have just put it up in our comment area. So finally, we sincerely hope that this high performance Ender 3 S1 Pro can help explore more creative possibilities. At the same time, Creative will continue to focus on research and development, striving for more breakthroughs in the near future. And we are also embracing all your opinions on this product, because Ender 3 is, like I said, is a super iconic product line, product series of Creativity. So we are
Yes.
more open to hear your voices.
Yeah,
Yes.
sure.
Is that a USB-C port? USB-C Type C. You mean Type C port?
Yep. Yes.
Which one?
Act-
Which one you are
that mean the
asking?
whole of, maybe you can hide the comments here. Okay. Yes, actually it's a Type C hold.
That one is a Type C. It's so obvious that you can
Yeah,
see
yeah.
that.
Wow,
And
that's
we also
that's
give
very
you a
clear.
SD card for you, room for SD card,
Mm-hmm.
and you can also have the extra Wi-Fi box
Mm-hmm. Wow,
to
that's
download
really
it directly
cool.
from Creality. Yes.
So I love this design because nowadays most of the no matter form or 3D printer they use the Type it has
Yes.
actually.
And I want to pause it and give you a more clear look at
The touch screen, right? Okay, so maybe I can help you to remove the video to make it
it's
can.
okay.
They can see the touch screen.
No, I'm not going to give you the touch screen, but I would like to here to give you guys a look at the here. This is a base of the printer. Like I said before,
Yeah,
it
this is
is
the
made
base
by
of the printer.
fully integrated
Maybe you can stand
material.
here. Your voice can clear, and I can help you to point you what you are introduce.
So you
Okay.
can see the base is totally integrated. That is the also another different part from the Ender-3 as well. Is there's no gaps, no crackers on the surface. So it will be easier for you to clean up the whole platform, to clean up uh, the machine, and also it has did a lot of help for you to avoid the accidental water leaking into the main board. So this is another change, and you can see the size of it. The side of it here is also derived from the sports car design, and is also the another point that
Yeah.
we are what we're trying to show you is that this front face of this machine is quite different from the Ender-3 as well, and
Yeah.
we did have made a lot of efforts onto the outlook design, and we are also open for your opinions on how we can design it better, because we of course we want to make our products a little bit cooler.
And maybe I can share it can take out, right?
No, you can just set it up.
Yeah, this is the touch screen. And let me just hold it out. Yeah, you can see here. Mm, here, you can
So
see.
this is a display screen that you can purchase also later in our website. This is optional purchase, and you can see the surface of it is 4.3 LED inch touchscreen. Um, Sherry, you can just make some, option operations here in the touchscreen.
Oh, I can continue printing.
Yeah, because it is already
Stop.
printed.
Continue. 算了，怎么继续打印？So maybe you
So
can.
why the price is 579? Um, I recommend Jack. You can just go check into the website and click into purchase, and it will be different. Um, it will be different depends on where you are and how the taxes are. So what is the exact taxes that you have to pay during shipping? So the price in the website is already converted into the final price. So but the retail price for the printer alone is 499.
让他展示一下这个灯。
Yeah, it depends. Um, yeah, seems like we have lost a lot of comments.
Yes, there are a lot of covers, and we will rate it after. If we miss some comments, we will back and share with you. Yeah, now we are going to share you this LED light strip actually.
Yeah, so this is a LED light strip.
And actually here is a switch. And you can turn it on and turn it off very easily by yourself. So I think this design is very, I love this design.
Yes, Teddy, it will be released later because we have just on live make this Ender-3 S1 Pro on live, and all the following updates, like the other firmware, like the Marine firmware, will also be related in short future, recent future. Okay.
切回主页面。
Okay.
So now we are going to switch to the main camera, and you can look our face here. Yeah. So everybody about the introduction about the CS the Ender-3 S1 Pro. I want to know which part you love most, including the LED strip lights, the handheld, the parts, and the PI platform, or the Outlook. Which parts you love most? Maybe you can share with us. I just now asked the question is which part you love for the upgrade most.
W- Sorry, what? What?
I just said just now. Actually, we introduced a lot about the upgrade
Yeah.
for the Pro
Yeah.
version, and actually, I'm curious about which part they love most.
They love most.
Yeah, no matter the LED strip light or
Yes,
the
this is why we are giving this live stream, and we just want to share this news to all of you guys.
yeah
Not only about how good it is and how excited we are going to release this one, but also what we are
care
more
about
expecting is we would like to hear
your
about for your
voice.
voices, like which part is the most thing that
You feel is useful and
yes.
the function you want
Yeah, so
actually.
say like Mama Do is saying Mama Do.
I
Mama Do.
love the
I
touch
love
screen.
I love your
Wow.
ID.
Wow, cool. So actually, the touch screen is very user friendly for kids, for
Yeah.
children, even for elder,
Yeah.
because maybe not all of them know how to use the knob, the screen knob,
Yeah.
right?
I think your question will be heard. I think. I personally think. But what, what is your question though? So guys, your comments just going so fast, and we are, of course, we will miss a lot of your comments, but we are trying to grab as much as we can
Yeah,
to
sure.
I'm looking for what has hydrostatics say.
Mm-hmm.
Said before. Hydrostatics. Okay.
Yeah.
He said put a USB on the back so it's easier to connect. That's not a question.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's another one. Looks very nice. Thank you for the work you put into it. Thank you. But I own three Enders.
And I
And
decide to
decided to upgrade
upgrade
two
two
of the
of
main
them.
board for firmware concerns. Yeah. What are your plans for future? In the future, we will definitely upload more firmwares that are compatible with the Ender-3 S Pro, S1 Pro. Um, and of the main board for firmware concerns, what are your plans to do in the future? Okay. So this is your question, right? So that is, I think this is what I can tell you so far, and I will ask my team support team to give you a more solid answer. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Sherry, you can take part of.
Yeah, sure. Touchscreen. Okay, so Kevin said that touchscreen is great upgrade. The print had to look more tough and pro. I'm not sure about the BL Touch. I don't use it on the small build plat like this. Do you prove the paper to make leveling? Do you prove the paper to make leveling? Actually, the Seal Touch is more convenient for you to make the auto leveling. But before that, actually, you still need to make it level enough. So you still need to use the paper actually at the very beginning. Yeah, that's a tips. And so Gander said that only thing I dislike is the broom holder on top weights up to top of the frame. Not good. So actually you prefer to the spoon beside or maybe beside the way here so the here will not bear the weight, right? Okay, I will share your idea with our engineer. Yeah, maybe we can improve it. But actually, you can also buy a spore bucket. Okay, so let me see which. So actually, I noticed most of you love the touch screen and anything else. What are the spring speed? What are the print speed generate? The print speed
0.4 millimeter
zero point
per
0.4
second.
millimeter per second. Okay, so I use filament dryers. Makes like a lot easier, but make the spool holder meaningless. Okay, filament. So you have the dry box, so you don't need that spool, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So paper additional library. Yeah. Okay. Accident is broken. Oh, actually, they give some a suggestion about the spool. They
Oh,
don't like it on the top because they think maybe there will some weight. This
we're too
here.
much weight for on the axis that
Yeah,
z-axis, right?
yeah, and here you can see that Kevin said that spool hold on top. Maybe accident broken the glass plate. Maybe it's broke roll
Yeah,
down.
we have been discussed with these issues before,
Mhm.
and actually, in this angle, probably you can see it is right on the top, but it is actually tilted 45 degrees for the spool holder.
And I noted
It's
here
tilted
it's
back like 45 degrees, so there's no chance for you to make the full filament to be dropped right onto the surface. So I'll just change another angle so you can be able to see it.
and I noticed
See,
that this
it
is
is
rollable.
the spool holder is like 45-degree tilted back.
Yes.
So even though, but I think it's quite firm.
And yeah, it's
It's tough and
firm.
firm. It's
Yeah.
so, but it's still. I admit that it still has some, you know, possibilities that it can be accidentally falling down. But even it is falling down, it will
And the
falling
back
down.
side.
Yeah, at the back side of this printer. So it's tilted
Yeah.
back, not directly on the top. So
Yeah.
it's a problem
And
of the angle.
and the
Yeah.
spore actually is rollable. It's so it can bear more
Yes.
it's more smooth when
Yeah.
you filling the filament.
Yeah, but I think all of your suggestions are quite
Yeah,
considerable.
yeah, we will love that. Yeah. I'm glad you I'm glad that you showed a side of angle. Well, yeah, so you just feel free to let us know your thoughts. We will try our best to give you an answer, okay? Okay.
So
Yes.
Ethan is saying, Ethan, oh, Ganga. Ethan, because he's replying back to Ethan.
Mm-hmm.
If the spool holder bar on a metal, yes, yes, that's why I said it's quite tough, and it is not seemingly high likely it will be falling down. Um, but I still, it is even safer for me to say that it has a possibility. But even that happened, it will not damage on the glass
Yeah.
on the body on the platform directly.
Yes,
Yes.
sure.
Yeah. What
So
else? So the spool holder applies too much pressure on the filament sensor. I
but a little bit
applies
forward.
much pressure on the filament sensor. I could be brought. I could be brought a little bit forward. Yeah, it is. Hmm. That's a good one.
Yes, actually, because
Where's
this
the filament sensor? I think.
sensor.
Oh, sensor is here.
Yeah.
Here's a filament sensor.
Yes.
I don't know if you can see it clearly, but
I think they can check on the picture.
yeah.
Yes, they can see the details very clearly. You know, actually, Larry, I'm very curious about if you buy the Ender-3 S1 Pro, which type
The
of.
filament sensor,
Uh-huh.
we have the fit now. This one, the filament sensor is more close to the spool holder.
Yes,
Yeah, apparently.
they can adjust the location, I
Yeah.
think, by themselves.
Mm.
So I want to know that if they buy the S1, what kind of materials they want to print. If because
They
the
can print a lot.
I know. So I'm curious about that. If you have a S1 Pro, you can print high temperature
Yeah.
materials. So maybe which kind of material or filament you want to print first if you want to try
Oh,
it. And
if it is me, I will say I will go with TPU.
oh,
TPU.
why is the TPU?
Why is it TPU? That's a good
What's
question.
your application? Actually, I'm curious about
I don't
that.
want to tell you.
You
But my first print with the Ender-3 S1 Pro is definitely a TPU,
I actually
TPU one.
I also love the TPU because I want the toy. It's flexible.
Yeah,
I
you
want
want
the
a toy.
toy. Yeah, so I will print toy with the
Yeah.
TPU filament with the
My
S1
my
Pro.
first model will be a toy as well.
So how about you? Actually, if you want to share with us, we would feel happy about that because I want to know the reason why you need to have a Pro because it has the high
Oh,
temperature.
yes, I
Mm-hmm.
would like to highlight this one. Is
Yeah,
with the
sure.
spool holder on top and leaning back, there should be at least be braces in the front to counteract the weight of the spool holder. But I still want to emphasize is that the spool holder is really tough because I have just lifted it up and I say there's no sign of losing, no sign of unstable. I think the weight can. Mm,
I
I can understand why our users have this kind of the concern, but
mm,
from my personal experience, from my hands-on to the spool holder, I think um, no, it's not likely to happen. Really, I'm saying the truth
yeah.
because uh, so
Oh,
we just put a 1 kilogram of the TPU filament on top of that one. But if you are putting on some, like 5 kg, uh, yes, you have to worry about that. But 1 kg, I don't think so. I don't think it will fall them down, and I don't think it. We have to add some counteract weight on the other side. So
mm-hmm. Yeah.
yes,
Now I'm
but it is a
reading.
good question though. We will have our technical team to discuss on
Yeah.
that.
And
Yes.
Kevin said that the ZX model provide a better stability for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay.
The double Z-axis motor provide a better solution for sure. Yes, of course.
Yes.
Yeah, and that's why we're making this in that way. Otherwise, this won't be, even coming out.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think 1 kg will be bent. The whole thing. Yeah, they will not because I got my hands on. So, but if you are using 5 kg on hanging on there, yeah, that's something you should worry. Um, yeah, hi guys. I heard in the beginning that you are making the lucky draw.
Yeah, sure.
Will it
Today,
be during the live or published later on? During the live.
yeah, during the live,
Yeah,
where if you
during the
stay in
live.
this live stream,
I know I missed something,
well,
because we're so obsessed with reading all your comments, and we could have forgot the lucky draw stuff.
yeah,
But yeah, this
sure.
is happening right now.
right now. But
Yes.
before that, I
Okay.
have one requirement. I have one requirement that actually today I have a task to bring them an application cases about the scanner and the printer together. How to use the scanner and the printer make it serve our life.
Oh yes,
So
yes.
maybe here in this part I give the maybe 5 minutes introduction about this.
All right, sure.
And before that, because you know recently the CSGN laser is really hot in the market,
Yes. So
and
Robert, please wait another
yeah,
five
just
minutes.
wait another 5 minutes. I'll just give you a brief introduction about this part.
Yeah.
Because most of the user they buy a printer, they want to print models they love. But most of the model they can get free from the library, the
Yeah.
model library on internet. But some of them they cannot get a model they want on the internet. So they need to build a model by themselves, but I'm not a professional one, so I'm not good at building the model. That's why I need to use the 3D scanner, right?
Yes.
So that's why we now today going to share a little part about the application cases with the scanner and the laser and the printer together.
Yeah. How are you going to
So let's
present?
let's let's share a short video first, and
Okay.
after that I will just share the process with them and just give you some cases. So let's go to
Okay. Okay.
that video.
At your service, my queen. Go to the
Uh,
video, right? Which
yeah,
video you want me to play?
the video that's on system. I think we already prepared before. No.
Okay.
So, so it's just a short video. So what can you learn from this video, Larry?
I learned that Ender-3 S1 Pro and as well as other printers can well compatible. They are all well compatible with our scanner.
Any information you can catch from this short video?
And the link between your printer and the scanner is so easy of using. Yes.
Did you find that no matter the model in no matter to how to get a 3D model or how to print use the 3D printer or how to use the Creality Cloud to print it,
Hmm.
through this video you can know the whole process.
Yeah.
You get a model by the 3D scanner, and then you upload it to Creality Cloud, and you can choose the
Models.
Ender-3 S1
Oh
Pro you
yes.
want on the Creality Cloud,
Mhm.
and then you slicing on the app directly by your phone.
By
It's
your
very
phone.
easy,
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
So
yes,
and then it can work easily, the Ender-3 S1 Pro.
yes.
So I think this is the whole
So how
process
many steps it's gonna take you to make a object
to the
to the
real
model
one.
to the model?
I think only 3 steps.
Okay, step one.
Model, get the model by the scanner.
Also scan the model.
Yeah,
That's step one.
get the model, 3D model file, STL
No,
file.
I'm asking is that if you if you would like to scan, like say,
Okay.
my hat,
Yeah.
So how many steps it's gonna take you to make my head into the model,
The first
3D
step,
model?
I use the scanner, scan your head.
So that's first step. And
First
second one,
step, and then I will get your 3D model STL file on the computer,
yes, step
and
two,
I
and
upload it to
that's
Creality
step
Cloud.
three,
Yeah.
and
Okay. So Creality Cloud, I will choose that
that's
model
step four.
and slicing it on the app,
Step five.
and then I click print,
Okay, step six,
so it will start working.
and
I will get the model, but
okay.
here I will
So
prepare
at
first.
least 7 steps for you to make a scanning to make an object turn it into the 3D model with the scanner and your printer. And
Yeah.
of course, the printer can be chosen by either Ender-3 S1 Pro or
Mm-hmm.
some other any other printers from Reality, or
Yes.
even with other brands of the 3D machines.
So
So
actually, this
it's not 3 steps. Come on.
no, we just want to let you know the concept.
Yeah,
That's
yeah. This is whole story. The whole
yeah, the main big direction.
maybe.
Yeah, actually, if you want to have your portrait or your head model, you can get it on net. That's why
I
you
still
need
didn't get
it.
confirmation for the free upgrade on the laser scanner. It's been 15 days since I sent the email. What's going on, Betty? So you sent the
Actually, you can leave your comments on the Kickstarter page. Yes.
yeah. If you are already the backer, you can leave your comment on the page. But that's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, this is all about the scanner stuff. And guys,
And
if you want to know more, like who is that?
yeah, actually, in the future,
Yeah, any one of you guys still have any curiosity about this scanner, we will have our live stream on tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow night, okay?
And
And let's
yes,
back to the Ender 3 S1 Pro,
yeah,
okay?
sure, sure.
So
About the Ender-3 S1, actually, in the future, we hope one printer, one scanner for everybody.
one printing, one
One
printing.
printer, one scanner.
So two gifts.
I mean, in the future, we hope every 3D printer owner that will also have the
Why?
printer.
A lot of them have multiple printers.
Yes.
Why you limited them to only have one
Okay.
printer?
Maybe
I want to
10
have three
printer.
printers.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
So it's time for the lucky draw.
Yeah,
And
sure.
really,
Sure. Lucky draw
we have making
time.
this live stream for too long, and I think most of our
They
viewers
just
now
keep
are
waiting.
they're already tired of this.
Yeah.
Um,
And okay.
yes, and a lot of
May.
people say that this time should be in the Larry's way.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah, sure. Just go ahead.
you approve that?
Yeah. I just use your rules.
Time for
Everybody
coffee. Hi,
everybody excited about that.
you still awake, Mr. Dumbarton? Hello.
Hi, welcome to John this
Um,
live stream.
Yeah, I don't know. You
Welcome.
still have the time to join this live stream. I showed you. I suppose you are supposed to be busy right now, but it's okay. Coffee time. So we are now joining the lucky guys, lucky viewers from this live stream, and everybody just you know
And
yeah.
today
And
we
the
have
prize is
Ender
one Ender two,
two.
one
Yeah,
Ender two.
it's a 3D printer.
Yes. Could you
Yeah,
send the link again for Lucky Draw, please? This time, in
no
my way,
link.
no link. We don't bother that. It will be so simple, okay?
Yeah, let's
Um,
make it simple and quick.
yeah, because in my way, I'll try to make this fair enough
Yeah.
because there's just so many viewers right now in our live stream, and I will like, um, even though in most of the time, our topic, our explorations are all about um, the details of the
Mm-hmm.
Ender-3 S1 Pro, and I don't know if anyone is actually paying attention.
Yeah.
So I want to give the reward to someone. I don't know
Mm-hmm.
how many, right? To
Mm-hmm.
someone that is paying his or her attention
Yeah.
all the time.
Yes.
So I am going to throw out a question.
Yeah.
Simple question. Not simple. I think as long as you are watching this live stream from the
Carefully.
start to now, you can probably fetch the answer really easy. And it is like a small Easter egg hidden in the whole live stream, and only the one who did pay attention to our live stream can be able to answer it correctly. And the very first one who answered it correctly can be able to win away the
And two.
Ender 2. Yeah, for free. Okay?
So
So
everybody,
I don't know, you
are
guys
you
are ready.
ready? You just click one to let us know you're ready. And if you want to be the winner, and maybe you can click a like or a love to us for
Yeah.
our live stream. Maybe you will be the lucky one. So everybody, just click like to us.
Oh, I'm listening and working, no fair.
Yeah. If you're okay, everybody, if you're ready, just click.
Yeah, I just you
Um,
know why I have this way is like I don't want to give the gift so randomly, like
okay, you
randomly
want,
pick any one of them. It seems fair, but
but
still not fair to someone who is really paying attention to this boring, to this, you know.
exciting live
Yeah,
stream.
I really would like to reward that guy. So if you're ready, I'll throw out the question. Okay,
Yeah,
guys.
everybody, are you ready?
Again, the first one, the very first one, I will just share the
Actually,
screen right now. Just
the
make sure everybody can see it, okay?
Ashton said that click what? Actually, I just say click a like to us, and maybe you will be the lucky one.
Yeah.
Just so actually, it's a
So
question.
now everyone can be able to see
See
the common
screen.
error that as much as we can be able to see, okay? So my question is, this one, of course, is our Ender-3 S1 Pro, and it's brand new designed. And I have mentioned that this one is designed, the inspiration of the designing of this Ender-3 S1 is derived from a sports car. A
Mm-hmm.
sports car. I would like to know, because I said it twice, which. Oh! Already got one. How the. Yes.
So what's the
They
question?
really paid attention. I saw no one is giving any attention, giving a damn about what I'm saying. But yes, hey guys, make it fair enough. From what I can see, no one said BMW before him, right?
Yes.
Okay, so these guys are crazy. I didn't even say the question, and they already know what I'm going to ask.
Yeah, because it's
Um,
nearly know the answer. So
yeah,
it's Michael?
Michelle, I think. What Michelle? Oh my! I'll just say Robert, Mr. Robert. You are the first one to answer it correctly, and you're first of all clever enough to even know the answer before I throw out question. That's number one, and number two is that you are paying attention to our live stream. I'm so happy you can.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
congratulations, Robert.
and any others, guys, I know I'm so glad. I didn't expect so many of you guys are
They
hitting the
know
right
that's
number.
the brand.
Lamborghini is a wrong number. Yeah, the BMW because the noses they are.
Yes, so the design is from the car, right?
Yes. So Mr. Robert, Michelle Robert or
Mm-hmm.
Michael Robert. I think it's Michelle.
Yeah, you can contact with our brand at creality.com.
Yeah, or you can directly send me the email at Larry at creality.com. So guys, if you still have any questions during the live stream, okay, like the lucky draws, like the anything that I have been doing the live stream, you can directly send it to Larry at creality.com. And I will personally do that because most of the time I think we have some discrepancies. It's like we leave somebody else, like our customer service,
Mm-hmm.
like or the scanner at creality.com, but which is the emails are not approved by me myself.
Mm-hmm.
So some of the our colleagues they don't know what is the situation, but from now I have come up with a new way. I just leave my personal email address to every one of you guys joining our live stream. I will have the full total responsible to all of your inquiries for that, and um, feel free to hit me with the email address and Sir Michelle Robert or Michael Robert. Just send me the email and with the screenshot, and I will recognize you and I will arrange you the prize. Okay, no worries about that.
Yes.
And congratulations,
Yeah,
congratulations.
congratulations, the lucky
Yeah,
one.
awesome. Thank you very much. So happy to go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then
So guys,
you can keep following us because tomorrow we will also have another live stream and we also have giveaway. So everybody, just
yeah.
remember to follow us and support us. We will, yeah.
You're very pretty. Thanks for the hype. Not your Larry. Why are you so personal? I'm not happy.
What?
You're so pretty.
Thank you. It means me. Yeah. So everybody, we really feel happy that today we have the live stream here and we got a lot of your comments and the thoughts and
Uh, Lots of lag on my screen. I was first than Robert, but I know I understand there's internet differences or lagging differences, but why I shared my screen to all of you, it will be like my screen is the
background and
the
all of
criteria. My
your
screen is the criteria, and it is fairly enough for everybody. Okay.
yes
Um,
because
oh my God! Thank you, Printer Pro. You are pretty as well. Now I'm happy.
yeah
Okay, see you guys, Bridal, and I will leave my personal email address here. So everything, guys, everything happened during the live stream, like questions, concerns, um,
anything
opin-
everything opinion of
opinions,
our
even
printer.
complaints. You can just let me know. Okay,
Yes,
I'm
so
I'm
just
open.
send email to Larry if you
Yeah,
want have something need to communicate after this live stream.
yeah.
And remember that if you like our live stream, please click a like to
Yes,
us.
and at last, I will resend the link,
Yeah.
purchase link for the Ender-3 S1 Pro to everybody of you, just in case some of you
Miss
missed
the
the
information
information.
before. Yeah, so if you
Yes,
want this Ender-3 S1 Pro, just go to the shop and online shop is available now.
yes,
You can
exactly.
try the first, be
Yeah,
the first to try it.
yeah. Guys, this is my email address, and I'm expecting your booms. I'm expecting your invades.
Yeah,
All right, have a good day, everyone.
let's
This is
see
the
you
end of the.
tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow about the scanner.
Yeah,
Yeah.
see
Bye bye.
you. Bye. Have a nice day.